I'm gonna make this part of my bedroom a YouTube studio using just my phone and a $20 light. Most of the time, you probably don't have a space you can dedicate to making podcasts or YouTube videos. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this space right here with an inexpensive light and just recording with my phone. And you can make high quality videos and even record podcasts right here in your bedroom. So here I am in my bedroom. I'm just using my iPhone. This is actually the front facing camera and it still looks great. I turned on cinematic mode, but I'm going to show you how to use the Riverside app to blur your background, use virtual backgrounds, and even record with remote guests all right here in your bedroom. Now the first thing I'm going to do is actually use a light. Depending on your bedroom or whatever room you have, lighting might not be great, especially if you just have ceiling fan lighting. A lot of times that top-down light is not very flattering. So this is a really inexpensive light. You can get this for like 20 or 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the video description. But you can turn it on, you can even adjust the intensity, and if I click the back, I can also adjust the color temperature. Really versatile light for how inexpensive it is. So as you can see, here's my recording setup, and I'm actually just going to mount this on the tripod. Oftentimes you can get a cold shoe mount on whatever phone clamp you have. I'll put a link to this on Amazon as well. And the other thing you do need is a tripod of some sort. You don't want to be holding your phone the whole time. All right, now coming back to the main shot, you see this light actually helps a little bit, but you're starting to see the reflection in my glasses. So to eliminate that, I'm going to move the phone up a little bit and then angle it down. All right, that's a little better. If I do move my face up, you'll see the glare. If you don't have glasses, this isn't a problem, but you can experiment with that height, maybe even get a second stand for the light to kind of put it off to the side. But right now, with an inexpensive light on my phone, we actually have a pretty good looking video right here. Now, having interesting things in the background is definitely nice. This is just wall art that I've got on Amazon, canvas prints, under $50. And I'm sitting here on a sofa, which is great, especially if you're doing something like a podcast. Now, let's say you're gonna record a lot of video content and maybe even invite some remote guests, like an interview. Well, recording everything on your phone, you're gonna fill up your storage pretty fast, and you might not have cinematic mode with that 4K video resolution if you have an older iPhone. This is a great reason to use Riverside. All right, so to record all my video content, I'm going to use the Riverside app on my iPhone. You can also get this for your iPad and Android device. I'm right here in one of my studios, and let's just jump into record. So this is the lobby screen in the Riverside app. Now I can tap this magic wand tool up here, and I have multiple options. I can choose a virtual background. So if you don't have great decorations in your bedroom or it's a little distracting, you can do that. Or I'm actually just going to blur my background using the Riverside setting right here. I can blur it a little bit, or I can try to blur it a lot. Blurring it a lot might look a little unnatural, so I'm going to stick with this slight blurring, which is like cinematic mode, and I'm ready to record. Now, if I'm going to do some solo content, maybe I don't have an external microphone, I can just record right here in the Riverside app. It's going to look and sound great. Let me hit record, and after that countdown, I'm now recording in the Riverside app on my phone, and it's not going to take up any storage because this is going up to the Riverside cloud. And this is what it looks like just to use the Riverside app and your mobile device, even the front-facing camera. Now you can switch around to the rear camera and it'll look even better. And I'm actually using the built-in microphone of my iPhone. And it sounds this good because I'm using Magic Audio. I'm going to turn that off for a second. And this is what the built-in microphone sounds without Magic Audio. Pretty good, but it's one of the advantages of recording with Riverside because that Magic Audio is going to make your iPhone, your Android, or iPad microphone sound studio quality. But if we want to up our game just a little bit, I'm actually going to use a USB microphone here in the bedroom with my mobile device, and that way we can get even higher video quality and record with remote guests using wired headphones plugged into the mic. So I'm going to stop this recording, and you'll see once I stop it here in the Riverside app, it's actually going to upload that video file to my Riverside dashboard, so it's not going to take up any space on my phone. This way I don't have to worry about storage, and I still get that high quality 4K file. Then I can use to edit in the Riverside editor, which is key. So now I'm actually going to plug in a USB microphone. This is the Shure MV7 Plus, uses USB-C right here, and I can plug this directly into the iPhone for even better audio quality. Now when I plug that USB-C cable into my iPhone or iPad or Android device, you're going to see this pop up, and you actually want to tap no. That will allow your remote guest audio to come through the microphone, and then you can hear them through your headphones and also monitor your own voice. Most USB microphones have this headphone jack right here, like the Shure MV7 Plus, or you can get a $50 USB mic, the ATR2100X, and it also has a headphone jack like this. Plug in a pair of wired headphones, they can be inexpensive, then you can monitor your own voice and hear your remote guest. So now we have our USB microphone connected, I'm still using my mobile device to record with my inexpensive light, and let's record something. Now we can record some solo content, maybe a podcast with remote guests. I'm using a high quality USB microphone with my mobile device, and I'm right here in my bedroom. A little wall decor, turn on the background blur, which is available in the Riverside iPhone app right now, and you're going to get that high quality video and audio recording. And it's still being recorded locally to your device, so you don't have to worry about internet blips or bandwidth, and it will all be uploaded once you hit stop. And then you can edit it using the Riverside editor and even do things like produce magic clips, where we do those automatic vertical videos, adding animated captions. And you can do it all actually from your mobile device if you want to edit there, or move over to your laptop or computer and edit on the web. And that's how to transform your bedroom into a YouTube studio for solo content creation or podcasts, just using the Riverside app, a light, and a microphone. Or use the built-in mic and use Riverside Magic Audio. If you'd like to learn more about using your mobile device for editing and publishing, check out our video right up here, and I walk you through that whole process. Don't forget to subscribe to the Riverside channel and hit that like button. Lots of features coming very soon, and we're going to cover it right here on the channel, and we have lots of walkthroughs. And if you want to live stream with Riverside, you can do that too. You can actually multi-stream to YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and multiple destinations at once. Do things like live audience call-ins where they come in via video and audio, chat room, interactive lower thirds, and a ton more features. You can check out the latest on our Riverside Live tools right up here. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with Riverside.